Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, November 14th, 2024. So another little bit of a strange day. We opened the day with the signal weight at 96 and cycle momentum up at 59. So what that is, it's kind of telling you to buy dips with selling put premium. And like yesterday, right around midday, the signal weight went negative, minus 690, and we have the cycle momentum at minus 14. So that's what really drove this market down. But we were able to, what I did was I put a condor trade on right at the, kind of near these lows right here, and I had it all the way up at the 6,000 to the 610, or 610 to 620, I think it was, and then all the way down to 5940 and 5950. So we started doing really good because we had both the signal weight and the cycle momentum were really right around zero. So we were able to get into this trade here, and by the time it got right around here, this is where I closed out the put side on the call on the S&P calls, as well as I put a stop on for the actual put side, and from there we started going just straight down. So what I did here was I had 25 contracts on the Condor, and I sold 15. And then put a stop on the remaining 10 at break even. And sure enough, it actually took our stop out, which I didn't think it was going to, because we had the signal weight and the cycle momentum was kind of just neutral. So typically we get a sideways market, but when it all changed, we were up at 1.4400. I think we closed, hang on one second. Okay, so we closed plus 2730. It's okay. I mean, like I said, it would have been better to just close the whole position out plus 4400. But I really didn't think that these numbers were going to come into play. So it happens, but we still made a little bit of a profit. So you can see the bears are trying to push it through this important support zone right here. So they didn't close this gap yet right here. So they would need to go a little. Actually, did they? No, they would need to go a little bit further to close it. But if they open up down below the moving average, then really the next spot that I would be looking at, because you can see there's zero support here until we get to this gap up support, which is at 58.65, and if they're going to come and close this gap, we're going all the way down to 57.82. So I've been saying that it would make sense if we get. It would probably be helpful for the bulls to get some backing and filling, and just digest the move that has taken place, and then from there, once they build a base, like let's say we come down and it finds support at this 58.69. So now we're going to know this is important support right here because it was used as resistance, and then if it comes down and it's used as support, and then that's going to be an important line, and this is going to be a line in the sand for the bulls and the bears. So we had some bearish divergences up here on the hourly chart, but I thought it was going to come down and up and form a better, say a more defined bearish divergence. But obviously that did not happen. So on the 15-minute chart, we do have a little bit of a buy signal here. It's not great. We didn't really have a sell signal, so the move down is was a little bit surprising towards the end of the day. But just because of the where we were with like I said, what the software was giving us. So I mean, like I said, I've been expecting the pullback, and again, what we want to do, I would be very careful shorting, even though today would have been a great day for it. But the thing is that really waiting to buy somewhere down at one of the pivots right here would make great sense, because I still think we're going to get that year-end rally, and we'll finish probably at new all-time highs. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.